Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to unlock a Honda Civic steering wheel. Start by placing the key in the ignition and applying gentle pressure to the key while slowly turning the steering wheel back and forth until it clicks free. Avoid forcing the key or wheel, as that can damage the ignition or steering column. If the key will not turn, try a spare key or inspect for debris in the keyway before seeking professional help. Begin by inserting the key fully into the ignition and holding it firmly. With one hand, gently turn the steering wheel left, then right, while slowly turning the key with the other hand until the lock releases. Keep movements smooth and avoid jerking the wheel or key. If the key still does not turn, try a different key or check for visible obstructions in the key slot before calling a locksmith or mechanic. If the steering wheel remains locked, use a spare key to determine if the original key is worn. Do not force the key, as broken key pieces can complicate the repair and increase costs. A spray contact cleaner can help if the ignition is sticky, but use it sparingly. When in doubt, contact a qualified locksmith or dealer to inspect the ignition cylinder and steering lock mechanism to prevent further damage.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.